Are you ready to check out the ultimate couples travel trailer with an open plan, 2 fireplaces, and sleeps up to 4? I bet you are. Let's go. Hey y'all, I'm Trish Sir here with my friends from Camping World to check out this Kodiak Ultimate 3361 RK SL. Now, she's a couples travel trailer. I was highly surprised. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Here's the information right here, her towing information, her driveway, all this. You see that magic? We can get that out right up front. Because what I wanna show you is the use of flow in this space. What we're getting in 2024 is a lot more flow and function, and I'm here for it. So walking right in, normally I don't start a tour in a kitchen, but I like the way this moves, so we started here. They've got the dining area set for 4, so you've got the loose chairs and the table. Farmhouse style, open light. I kind of love the way they've done the dark light wood. You've got the great windows around. They're doing a live edge table, which is a new kind of trend for 2024. I've got to tell you, I don't know if I'm here for it, but nonetheless, they're doing it. I got to tell you, because I'm big on what's happening in residential, happening in RVs, and most of the time they're always getting it right. But I do like more space. And as much as I know they're trying to go for a design trend, don't cut my table away. I want as much table as I can work on. So other than that, I really do dig the dining area. But let's move right on into the flow of this kitchen, shall we? Hello. How great is that? I love that they've done this kind of peninsula, not a full island, which would have been cool, but you could probably put a couple bar stools here. That would be great. But you could maybe extend it. I know the slide is here, but I do love that you've got all this prep area and workspace technically. Bam! You know I love a power port, any kind of power port. So 2 power ports, USB, USB-C. Great if you want to work from here or if you're having friends over, extra prep space, throwing a little party. You can have some, I love a charcuterie. I can't say the word. Big word for me. All right, and then you've got, look at that farmhouse apron sink. We love that undermount, stainless, beautiful, high-rise faucet. And again, you've got that backup cutting board, which we love for that extra, just prep area. I love anything that's a little smarter, not harder. And then what I love again, even more power, right? So coffee bar, toasters, anything you're prepping, you've got it right here. And what I am loving that they're getting right, I say it over and over, but y'all, in 2024, the residential trend is being able to put windows in homes instead of backsplashes to really maximize that light. We call them transom windows. Transoms are windows that are all glass. They don't necessarily open, so you're just getting the light and not necessarily using it as an open window. We get it twice. So really expanding the view and expanding that profile in the kitchen. So you've got all this workspace. And then a 3-burner cooktop with oven, that great LED light below, a slimline hood, which is so lovely. So again, not blocking the view. They're taking that backsplash right up to the wall. Again, huge in residential, transferring over on trend in RVs. Your microwave is up top, which we absolutely love. And then these high profile cabinets with that obstructed frosted glass, just an elevated look, right? All the way around. And these pressed countertops just give you that really clean feel. And again, I want to drive home how much counter space and how much flow, because as we step into the living room, honey, I love that if you could have game day or maybe a lakeside lunch, you've got all this space to have friends over or just hang out with your significant other. Y'all won't get on each other's nerves as much when you got space. Who's wrong? Nobody. Now let's go check out the living room. Look at this living space right off the kitchen. Again, such an open plan. We've got the trifold sofa. So you got a sleeper sofa here, which we love. And then theater, seating, fireplace, TV. Oh, sure, don't mind if I do, honey. And overhead storage, again, above the sofa, which is such smart use of space. Because we have the slider, it's, again, this one has 3 slides. So fantastic that it just gets so expansive, and it really does have that wonderful residential feel. And this fireplace, I'm cozy, I'm enjoying the game, maybe movie night with some popcorn after you've been out hiking all day in the wilderness. I don't know what your oyster dream sequence is, but mine would be, well, there's a couple. We could be at the beach. We could go surf all day and then come back in and I'd make a darling ceviche. I'm quite good at it. Don't tell anybody because I can't be making it for everybody. Oh, I could also have y'all over to watch the big game because I love doing a spread. I can make a wing, honey. I can make a wing. Now, there's so much more to check out. We love this space for so many reasons. You've got the entry door right here. Again, 50-inch TV, who doesn't love it? But all the windows also add to how airy the Kodiak Ultimate is. This is really one of those rigs that as soon as you get in, you can't believe what you're getting for the value, right? But let's not stop there, honey. We've got a bathroom. We've got a bedroom. We gotta go. Step right into this bathroom, honey. What they've done on this, which I love, taking the medicine cabinet right to the ceiling, all that storage. And if you noticed, it is, boom, backlit LED, just an elevated look happening in residential, happening now in RVs. We've got this great sink with like all this counter space, which again is really important. Bathroom outlet. There's a couple hooks here for towels. I'm so excited they're starting to make use of the space behind the toilets. There was a lot of lack of storage in RVs above bathroom toilets. And now, honey, they're getting with the program. Look at this shower. We've got a really nice glass door, which I love. And it's tri-fold with that skylight, handheld shower head. I mean, really wonderful use of space. Storage underneath. Honey, she's checking all the boxes for a couple's travel trailer. But we're not stopping there. Let's go check out the bedroom. Welcome to your primary bedroom oasis. Oh, you know, I did. I sat down on a sofa in your bedroom. Like, Jimmy, just get cozy. Yeah, look. Look, can you imagine? Just go with me. Go with me. You're going to get up in the morning. You're going to have your coffee. You could stay in the living room. But you could get out here, and this is looking at the ocean, the mountains. You could be looking at the lake, sitting here on the sofa in your bedroom, and you're going, Trish, this is so lovely. But I'd want to go in the living room because there's a fireplace. Baby, girl, I got you. Guy, I got you too. That's right. There's two fireplaces in this rig. Look at this gorgeous fireplace in your primary bedroom. Are you kidding me? Y'all, think about that. Maybe watching movies at night because there is TV prep right above your dresser fireplace where you could sit and hang out, cuddle up. Maybe you're like me and have furry family members. My dogs, they take to the bed with me and my husband. But if they had this in the bedroom, our dogs could get cozy right here, watch a movie, and they could give us a little more leg room. Anybody else? I think it's a great idea. But it doesn't end there. You've got this great king-size bed. Boom, wardrobe. Boom, wardrobe. We're going to look at this one too. Look at this. Are you kidding me, y'all? Look how deep, right? Great wardrobe. And then you've got this built-in dresser. I love that extra counter space in here, which is so necessary because y'all know space is at a premium, but what a great use of space. And I love how cozy this fireplace is. It's just lovely. Windows on either side, great storage above the bed as well. But this, you know, normally would be the end of a room tour and we'd go outside. But guess what? There's still more to see in this bedroom. What? Trish, if you hit your head? No, honey, come on. Now, I know I always say storage is at a premium on an RV, but it is. It's the truth. And this king bed doesn't disappoint. Y'all know I love under bed storage. Look at that use of space, honey. So no matter what else you need to pack, it won't take up space in your gorgeous wardrobes. What? Look how many things you could put. I'm so tickled with how much closet space is on this rig. I really feel like somebody thought of me when they were designing this much closet space. So good. The exterior of this Kodiak Ultimate 3361 is just as cool as the interior, with storage on either side, LED stabilizing jacks, and this gorgeous awning. We also get outdoor entertainment, kitchen, and griddle. So look at this, y'all. Ready? Oh, I love. You know how I get about. Look at the hydraulics on that. Boom! TV, fridge, and then a slide for the attachable grill. It really is that ultimate getaway for couples. So what are you waiting for? Get into your local Camping World today. Tell them Trish sent you, and we cannot wait for you to get into this Dutchman. We'll see you soon.